Have you ever wanted a plant but also didn't want to take care of it? I have the plant for you. We're going to make one today out of beads. Let's get to it. Here is everything that you're going to need to get started. Some beads, preferably green if you're making a plant like mine, a pot, some floral foam, and some wire. You're going to want to measure out your wire to be as long as you want the leaves. My leaves will be folded in half, so I'm going to fold my wire in half to make sure it's as long as I need it to be. Once you have your wire cut, you can go ahead and string the beads onto that wire. Okay, so I have this floral foam that I'm going to use in this pot. Then I'm going to be sticking my bead leaves in. So here are my beads. I'm just going to start placing them in. So now I have these beads here. These just brown wood beads that I'm going to use as like the soil, and I'm just going to hot glue them in. So my thought is I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on it. By this point, I had given up on individually gluing the beads, so I decided to just put the hot glue in the pot on the floral foam and throw the beads on top of it. Once you're done with the dirt, you'll just want to shape your leaves the way that you want them. And just like that, you are done with your beaded plant. Thank you for hanging out with me for today's video. If there's anything you want to see in the future, go ahead and comment below. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye.